Cars are more than just machines that take us from one place to another. They are also expressions of our personalities, our tastes, and our values. They can tell a lot about who we are, what we like, and how we live. They can also inspire us, challenge us, and entertain us. Unfortunately, every car needs to be serviced, and when it's being serviced, there's always the possibility of scratches, stains, and spills that may occur during the repair or maintenance process. That's why you need our car fender cover, the best protection for your car's fender. Our car fender cover differs from other fender covers because it is made of durable canvas and a patented no-slip backing that can resist tears and abrasions. Its soft backing won't stick to your car's paint or leave any marks. Our car fender cover, the De-Fender cover, is easy to use and fits any car model. Order yours today and enjoy working on your car without any worries.
I always worry that my car will get scratched when being worked on, so we've come up with this De-Fender cover so that no scratches happen, and it even has a place for my tools. We're up here, and it's not going anywhere.